For this lab, we used, among other things, fresh grapes, fresh apples, fresh pineapples, canned pineapples, and beakers. What Jell-O really is collagen. Collagen is something that both animals and humans have. It's a protein made of 3 different polypeptide strands that are intertwined. When you heat Jell-O up, these intertwined strands break apart, and then you wait for them to re-solidify when you cool them down. But an acid in some fruits called bromelain prevents the Jell-O from re-solidifying and prevents those 3 polypeptide chains to reform. In part 1 of the experiment, we placed Jell-O next to grapes, apples, and fresh pineapple and saw how long it took to solidify. We first weighed the fruits to make sure that we have the same amount of fruit in each beaker. We then added Jell-O to the fruit-filled beakers. Then we placed those beakers into the ice bath to see how long it took for each of them to harden. It took a lot longer for the fresh pineapple to harden than the other fruits, because the fresh pineapple had bromelain in it. For part 2, we compared the effects of fresh pineapple and canned pineapple on the hardening of the Jell-O. The fresh pineapple exhibited the same property of making the Jell-O take much longer to harden. But this time, the canned pineapple didn't make the Jell-O harden any faster than the grapes or apples. This happened because, during the canning process, the bromelain in the fresh pineapple was taken out of the canned pineapple so that the canned pineapple would stay preserved longer.